go in, slime. Hi! Today I am going to make my slime with my slime lab. Sticky, gooey and fun. Now let's check what's inside this box. Very easy to peel. I don't need this anymore. Okay, now let's open this box. Wow! So many things. An empty bottle. In here there are so many things. I'll open it and show you. Droppers. 3 wooden spatula. 3 plastic spatula. A funnel. So tight. A measuring cup and a slime bottle. Glitters. And last, measuring cup and slime container. This is like a powder and it says in Borax. This is Borax. An instruction sheet. Oh, 2 heavy glues. Color. And gloves and a bowl. And I don't know what's inside this box. Let's check out. Nothing. As per instruction, we should do this experiment under adult supervision. So I will call my mom.
Let's see the instruction sheet.
Okay.
First, we need to make the Borax solution, and for this we need the apparatus Borax. Give me.
This is the Borax.
Big measuring beaker.
This is the big measuring beaker.
The spatula.
Which one?
Plastic.
Okay.
Empty bottle.
Empty bottle.
And water. The water should be heated for 15 seconds in microwave.
Okay.
We have already prepared.
Oh.
Let's put the water
What?
in the measuring bucket.
Okay. How many?
50.
Okay.
Add the Borax in 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Add 1 teaspoon of Borax in the empty bottle with this funnel.
Okay.
Hold it. 1 teaspoon of borax. That's the borax. Now
Finally, it's not
add
stuck.
the water in the bottle and tightly close the bottle. Then shake it, and we have to leave this for 10 minutes.
Oh,
Our borax solution is ready. Now we need to make the glue dilution. You do this.
okay,
First you need an empty bowl,
okay.
and now you need the glue.
Glue. This is the glue.
Yes. Alright. We have to put 2 tablespoons of glue.
Okay. Lot of glue.
Yes.
Oh,
1 teaspoon, and we need 2 teaspoons of glue. You look like jelly.
yes. Yogurt.
Now we need to add 20 ml of water in that bowl.
Oh, where's the
Giving
water?
the water, you stir.
Okay.
That's the 20 ml of water. Mix it. Slowly, slowly.
Okay.
Slowly, slowly.
I am
Mix
trying.
the glue with the water.
I'm trying to do as slowly I can.
And we have to put the color in this mixture.
Okay.
Choose the color.
I choose yellow.
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 You mix it.
Okay. Wow. The color is here. What is that sound?
Give me.
Some yellow kind of ball going in there. It looks like egg.
Yes, it looks like egg.
What will it do with the Borax solution?
Yes, now we need to add the Borax solution in this glue
Oh,
and water mixture.
okay.
Okay, this is done. Now you need to mix the Borax solution in this mixture.
With what?
The dropper.
Oh, we need another dropper.
Yes. You need the Borax solution first time. How much? 2 ml.
Mm.
2 ml.
Okay.
Need 2 ml of Borax solution. You put it slowly
Okay.
and mixing it. Hold it
Ooh.
slowly, 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 slowly.
Two. Drips of rain.
Yes. This is going to be ready. This is going to be ready.
Oh, yeah, I'm very excited.
One more 2 ml of Borax solution.
Wow.
Carefully.
Okay.
Yes, our slime is ready.
Yeah? Put the rubber here.
Yeah. Close the bottle.
Okay.
Our slime
What?
is ready.
It's slimy. Stuck to my hands. Want to pick it up? Oh. This is your slime.
Yes, this is the slime.
How does it feel?
Oh, wow. Yeah, yellow slime.
And the heart keeps it's going to be walking.
Now put this in the container.
Pick. Alright, go in. Go in. Slime.
Bus. Our yellow slime is ready.
Yeah. We put it in a banana container.
Bye.
Bye.